welcome to Cooking for Feminists. Now, in this first episode, I'm going to kind of be going for all feminists because, ladies, if you'd like a man, there's a few things that you need to know how to cook. One of them is a cheeseburger. So this is a nice, super simple cheeseburger, and don't you worry, I'm going to be with you every step of the way. Now, these are quarter-pound patties, and we're going to season them up with my all-purpose seasoning. That's simply an equal mix of kosher salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And you want to fry these on a fairly high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes aside. Because, you know, you kind of need to know how to do a burger right so that you don't end up like this lady. Or this one. After about 3 minutes or so aside, you want to give these burgers a flip. And you see that? That is called crust. Very important. Trust me, follow these simple little rules and you'll have one of these in your future. Which you will need if you'd like one of these, which is a hell of a lot more fun to cuddle with than this. Okay, now place 2 slices of American cheese on the cheeseburger. And your boyfriend should be salivating at this point. That is, unless you're dating a vegan. And what the fuck are you doing dating a goddamn vegan? Soy boys have no testosterone. You might as well date a goddamn chick. And yes, vegan gains, I'm talking to you. Okay, you are just about done. Only a couple of things left to do for these here burgers. And you want to add some pickles to your burger, because as I've stated many times, a burger without pickles is fucking garbage. Okay, and lastly, we're going to put some iceberg lettuce on our burgers, and then just do a little dollop of ketchup and mustard on the top bun and place it on top. And you're done. That's it. A perfect burger for your fella. So in closing, my last advice is stop being one of these so you can get one of these so you can be happy and have these, or you could just eat all 3 burgers and turn into this lady.